Pretend I gotta go to work, face low like my feelings hurt. Nothing's wrong, just hungover and bloated, drunk or sober, I drunk a soda, now my teeth sting. I miss 17, Patty Duke teach me a thing or two. I ain't in the mood to be in the mood. Ever since I moved it's like everything's new. But today man, I ate a lot of fuck food. Mayonnaise, liver, you too. Old footage of the group I viewed, missing what we used to do. Then had another sip of the brew. To be honest, more like a go for the booze, I'm beyond it. Back to the haze of yesterday, when the grass blades bled in the rain, and I let in the pain, let in the paint. Feelings faint as I awake to the world brand new. Born of the past, alone in my room, seconds pass, and I beg to piss, and I beg to piss, but my legs won't lift. It's like all I do to feel fucking numb, like packaged in a seal. Nev Campbell, Alice Silverstone, what I wouldn't do to have a grown when I was young. Now I'm grown, must be low testosterone. Talked to my bro on the phone, he was slow to end the convo, cause his girl told him where to go. All I wanna know is where to go. Tell myself don't forget your goals, cause you're too damn close. Spent your savings on a mic, sit the fuck down, fucking right.